Good morning, students. Hope you will fit and fine at your home. Today, we are going to complete the rest of the exercise from Unit 2 Scientist and Invention. So, this is the last part, that is, third part of this chapter, activities. So, now, take out your pencil and textbook, open page number 16, activity 8, but in place of activity 8, it is printed activity 7 corrected. Now, the previous exercise we have discussed the few little cartoons related to the invention. Now it's time to write about the inventors, the scientists, none other than the leading scientist. Now, activity 8 is write the details of your favorite scientist, discuss the details of the same with your teacher and friends in class. This is a group activities, but you all can do by your own self. Here you are going to write about your favorite scientist. Anyone can be your favorite scientist, but here the most leading and favorable scientist of India is none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So in this compo we are going to write about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So whatever exercise I have provided you here, you're going to write in your textbook only. Clear? So name of the scientist. So what is the name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Abdul, full form of APJ Abdul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. When he was born on October 15, 1931. Now, what is the birthplace of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? So Rameshwaram was his birthplace. Now, lifespan here. So प्लेस ओरिजिन में उनकी जो लाइफ स्पैन के बारे में हम लोगों ने बता दिया. इट मीन्स डेट ऑफ बर्थ, प्लेस एंड ओरिजिन वेयर ही वॉज born. Now here we are going to write what is his profession. So like profession, as we are knowing very well, he is one of the leading Indian scientists, but he is very much famous in abroad too. What is his profession? Aerospace scientist, author and professor. He was one of the greatest aerospace scientists and he is also called as the missile man of India. He is author and as well as a professor. Now what he has invented and what was his contribution towards the technology. So in invention and contribution, देखो लाइफ स्पैन में उसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ लिखनी है, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ में, प्लेस और ओरिजिन में उनका रामेश्वरम लिखना है. एंड नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द इन्वेंशंस और कंट्रीब्यूशन कॉलम. He was worked as an aerospace scientist with DRDO. As we are knowing very well, he worked as a chief aerospace scientist in DRDO. What is the full form of DRDO? Defense Research and Development Organization of India, as well as ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. He is known as the Missile Man of India. He worked on the development of missiles and launch vehicle technology. Here he was also known as the missile. As we are knowing very well, he is considered as the Missile Man of India. He contributed the much more leading part in the invention of missiles and launch vehicle technology. Now the third point, he played an important role in Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998. 1998 में पोखरण जो हमारा न्यूक्लियर साइट है, इसके बारे में तो पिक्चर भी बन गई है जॉन इब्राहिम की, पोखरण फिल्म. तो अगर आपको नहीं आइडिया होता है तो ये पिक्चर देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है, साइंटिस्ट के बारे में हम. तो देन उन्होंने क्या किया था, वहाँ पे न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट जो परफॉर्म किए गए हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी चीज़ हम लोग को इन्वेंशन के बाद उसके सैम्पलिंग्स होती है, सैम्पल्स लिए जाते हैं, उनकी टेस्टिंग होती है. तो उन्होंने उस न्यूक्लियर साइंस मतलब प्रोडक्शन में बहुत ही चीफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के ऊपर में काम किया. उन्होंने सेवरल टेस्ट किए थे 1998 में, तब जा कर के हमें एक पावरफुल न्यूक्लियर मिले थे. Now, he was awarded with the Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Shri. One of the greatest gallantry award is Bharat Ratna, and the second stage is Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. ये थ्री गैलेंट्री भारत रत्न से सब इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड है और जो हर फील्ड में मिलता है, साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, एजुकेशनल, सोशल, सब फील्ड्स में हम लोग को मिलता है बेसिकली। और फर्स्ट भारत रत्न है और फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेज पे थ्री प्राइजेस आते हैं जिसमें पद्मश्री, पद्म विभूषण एंड पद्म भूषण। Now, he was the 11th president of India from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. He was the prime minister, president of India to वो president of India भी रहे थे 2002 से लेकर 2007 तक. Now here one extra activity is also there. You have to paste the picture of scientist. So we have already discussed Dr. The contribution towards technology related to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in the columns provided on page number 17. You have to click the picture, you have to take the pictures from Google image and paste the picture of your favorite scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam का पिक यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आपको पेस्ट करना है. Here we have completed exercise 8 from page number 16. Now we are moving ahead to the next exercise, that is 17. The 17 exercise is describing the following picture in pairs. Share your views with your friends and teachers. In front of you, you have a picture. So what you will see in the picture? Yes, one teacher is standing, in her hands one paper is there, one apple is there, few notebooks are lying on the table, three students are there sitting on chair. So this thing, the description of this picture you are going to write in your textbook. Clear? टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं भी लिख सकते हो तो कोई बात नहीं, आपको जस्ट एक ओवरव्यू लेना है और अपने माइंड में रखना है कि ये पिक्चर किसके रिगार्डिंग है. सो व्हाट इज़ द पिक्चर? दिस इज़ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ क्लासरूम की पिक्चर है जहाँ पे एक टीचर है. द टीचर इज स्टैंडिंग बिटवीन द बिहाइंड द टेबल के पीछे क्या है, एक टीचर खड़ी है. शी हैज़ शॉर्ट हेयर, उसके हेयर्स क्या है, शॉर्ट है. देयर इज़ अ बुक इन हर हैंड. व्हाट इज इन हर हैंड? शी इज़ हैविंग अ book. There are two books on the table. So what is there on the table? So two books are lying on the table. There is an apple on the table. And what is there beside this on the table? There is an apple on the table. Three boys are sitting in front of the table. In front of the table, three boys sitting on the chair. They are sitting on chair. The first boy is looking at the book. The first boy is looking at the book in the teacher's hand. टीचर्स के हैंड में जो बुक है उसको देख रहा है. The second boy is looking at the सेलिंग के ऊपर देख रहा है, जो ऊपर देख रहा है. जैसे अभी पढ़ाया जाता है, अभी तो आप लोग हो नहीं, तो कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, और कुछ बच्चे क्या होते हैं, ऊपर देखते हैं, दाएं बाएं देखते हैं. भैया एंटरटेनमेंट भी तो होना चाहिए. तो the second boy is looking at the ceiling. The third boy is looking at the other two boys. Now what the third boy is doing? The third boy is looking to the companion boys. Clear? What is the picture related to? The picture is related to the classroom, and beside this the teacher is there. She has short hair. She is having a book in her hand, and two books are lying on the table. One apple is there. Three boys are there sitting in front of the table. One is looking at the books, one is getting the view of the ceiling, and the third is looking on the two of his friends. So here we have completed exercise 9, but it is printed 8. Exercise 9 from page number 17. Okay, now we are moving ahead. The last exercise, not last, it is the second last exercise of your textbook, you have to fill up the gaps. Clear? So, activity 10 from page number 18. Ravi, here what you're going to write, here you have provided with the few blanks आपको दिए, you have to fill the appropriate words in the blanks. So Ravi is a boy who lived, Ravi dash a boy, Ravi is a boy, he lived dash his mother. One day he lived with his mother. He lived with his mother. One day they decided to go to Delhi. Clear? Ravi was late from school. Mother told Ravi to get ready. What? To get ready. They reached the station and learned that the train was late. Clear? And learned that the train was late. Little Sunita has 3 friends. All of them are younger to her. They went to play cricket on a bright sunny day. Suddenly Sunita felt tired and hungry. The girls decided to go to home. So clear? So you have to write the few blanks over here. Now the next activity, activity 11 from the same page number 18. You have to discuss about your dreams, your ambition, what you are going to be in your future. As you are in 4th standard, have you decided about your career? No, not yet, because you are not having sufficient time to decide it. But what is your dream and what is your ambition? You have to tell your friends in a ग्रुप. आपको अपने ड्रीम्स, अपने एम्बिशंस के बारे में बताना है जो आपको अपने क्या है करियर में बनना है. बिकॉज मोस्टली चाइल्डहुड में ही आदमी अपने एम्बिशंस, ड्रीम्स के बारे में कि चलो मैं पुलिस बनूंगा, मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा, मैं टीचर बनूंगी, मैं एरोनॉटिकल साइंटिस्ट बनूंगा, मैं पायलट बनूंगा, मैं आर्मी में जाऊंगा, मतलब एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा उन लोग के ड्रीम बनेंगे. और कुछ कहते हैं नहीं मैं तो जॉब करूंगा. Clear? So here in activity 11 you have to write your dreams. Now अगर हम लोग थोड़ा सा देखें तो यहाँ पे मैंने अपने मतलब एक छोटा सा डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया. अगर आपको चाहिए तो ये लिख सकते हो, अगर आपको चाहिए तो सेल्फ फ्रेम करके अपने आंसर्स लिख सकते हो. क्लियर? So let me read the first question. What would you like to be in life? It means what you want to be in your life. Think and share your dreams and ambitions with your friend in a group. You have to share your dreams and ambition. आपके सपनों और अपनी मतलब करियर रिलेटेड जो पोजेसिवनेस है उसके बारे में अपने ग्रुप में फ्रेंड्स को बताना है. एंड देन राइट इट अबाउट इन द स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड बिलो. आपको जो स्पेस दिया है उसमें लिखना है. क्लियर? होप यू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको ड्रीम्स और एम्बिशंस के बारे में लिखना है, अपने बारे में लिखना है कि आप इन फ्यूचर क्या बनना चाहते हो. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? व्हेन आई ग्रो अप आई वांट टू become a doctor. When I grow up I want to become a doctor. कि मैं बड़ा होकर क्या बनना चाहता हूँ? Doctor. I want to work in small towns and village where I'll perform my duty. My desire is to work in some small towns and villages. जो छोटे छोटे कस्बे रहते, छोटे छोटे विलेजेस रहते हैं जहाँ पे प्रॉपर एम्यूनिटीज़, प्रॉपर फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं रहती हैं डॉक्टर्स की, मेडिकल्स की. तो मैं वहाँ पे क्या करना चाहता हूँ? वहाँ पे जॉब करना चाहता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू हेल्प द पुअर पीपल्स. व्हाट इज़ अनदर डिज़ायर? आई वुड लाइक टू हेल्प द पुअर पीपल्स. पुअर पीपल्स को एज अ डॉक्टर कैसे हेल्प करेगा? फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करके. जो भी अपने ट्रीटमेंट का कॉस्ट है उसमें बहुत रेयर अमाउंट में पैसे लेना. एक कर्नाटका में एक लेडीज़ है, लेडीज़ नहीं जेंट्स है सॉरी, तो वो डॉक्टर हैं, तो वो उनका जैसा एम्बिशन था, उनका ड्रीम था कि मैं हमेशा गरीबों की सेवा करूं, जो पुअर और अंडर प्रिविलेज है, जो फाइनेंशियल वीकर सेक्शन है, उनको अपनी क्या करूं, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करूं। और उनका ये रिकॉर्ड है कि उन्होंने आज तक कभी भी किसी से पैसे नहीं, अपनी मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट के पैसे नहीं लिए हैं। सो I want to help the poor people. I will help them and give them free medicine. उनको मैं हेल्प करना चाहते हैं, and what is how I am going to help him by giving them free medicine. If possible, I will build a hospital with the best doctors, nurses and other facility. What is another ambition? That he want to build a big and huge hospital in which I'll provide it with all the best staff, nurses and other medical facilities in the hospital. उसकी हॉस्पिटल बनाने की भी इच्छा है, और उस हॉस्पिटल में वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डॉक्टर्स हैं रहेंगे, और नर्सेस रहेंगे, और अदर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ रहेंगी. I will make people aware of the importance of good health and hygiene. I will also aware and to be and give the useful information related to the importance of health. Importance of health क्या है, good health क्या है, और hygiene से related मैं क्या करूँगा, उन लोगों को अवेयर कराता रहूँगा, मतलब उनको जानकारी देता रहूँगा. I will tell them to keep their house and surrounding clean, and I will also give instructions related to their house, how to clean the house and our surroundings too. Clean air, clean water and lands are the very important for our good health. Also included the topic that what is the importance of significance of clean water, clean land and clean air. So why we use clean water, and what is its chief importance in our life. As we are knowing very well, we have already discussed the same topic in our first chapter, Fading Glory of the Earth. So what are the disadvantage of improper air, water and land, because it totally affects to our land, air and water, and ultimately it gives a last long impression to our health. So by the end of this exercise we have completed here I think 1, 2, 3 and 4 exercise. Now here I am moving behind page number 14. That exercise you are going to do by yourself. I'll provide you the I will provide you the answer later on. First you have to try it. So activity 6 from page number 40, your curiosity check. Find the answers to the following question. You may refer to people, books, websites or any other resources that you find to answer the questions given below. In this exercise you are going to write your curiosity check, what you are knowing about your surroundings, the things you are using it, then how are the process and methods by which we are getting the particular one. So the activity sixth one is from page number 14, in which you have to find out the answer. You can use your books, the reference books, websites and other useful resources to find out the answer. So what is the first question? How are pencils made? Do you know about how the pencils made? You're using it, but you don't have the idea about what are the processes by which we are getting our pencils. How are the newspaper printed? The first morning, as your papa, mom is looking here and there and searching and shouting for the newspaper. Do you know how the newspapers printed? There are lots of procedures to get a newspaper. So you have to find out the answer, that how are the pencils made and how are the newspaper printed. You have to write the process and steps by which we are getting the final products at our home. Now question number 3, why do we have antacid tablets or Eno or soda? So why we are using Eno, soda and antacid tablets. So antacid tablets or or soda is taking for curing acidities. It is main characteristics if you are facing with the acidic problem. So at the time we are using especially सोडास इनोज एंड एंटासिड टैबलेट्स. जब पेट में गैस की शिकायत होती है तो हम लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? इनोस एंड सोडा. सो व्हाट इज़ योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे? सो you are going to write about how you are getting the pencil and what are the steps of uh, making a newspaper. Hope you will understand this video lecture. Beside this, whatever notes are provided by the school, write in your fair notebook. Keep updated all the writing materials because you're knowing very well by the end of this month you all have the exams. Okay, be ready for the exams. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.